Good evening, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Silver. And Ray, you didn't share me, you didn't summon about the summer. Come on, say Asante Kotoko some, and you're born a bed there. Send your debut a no, and you're chichiria. Na you're born a pokama kama near Sanya Gum. Never be at me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to enjoy our amazing content. Well, and Ray, the end check. We needed to engage in lots of conversation because on saying rap. Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach in Coach Ogum interview. My update was Asante Kotoko team no. Fast forward, and I think around 11, and Asante Kotoko officially published on their social media handle that Baba Yaya is out of Kotoko game against a year Brekum Chelsea. So let me try and see if I can read it. Say a recap of what happened today. Now your grandson year. So it's quite unfortunate. May I sure say after say news, as a Kotoko fan, you'll be devastated. So the headline was Baba ruled out from our trip to Brekum. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yedi kandi atu manim that say utie na na sebo suru na no draw safu interview now. This will be o Brekum this year. And if you're in the phone bit me a video no. If you're not do free hunting no, maybe the system will not be hard on him. But utie nkomo na ekoso ni nyina de na ese be den. Say wa we hoho no, bit me do phone akwa akopie mo Brekum. No waso no watcha. On say the difference ni be say oba baba eso pa. Wetin akwa akose amekom suro na wutwa. Wetin akose yellow stance, green stance na wutwa. Wetin abehye even VIP. All rooms na e wosoro ho no. Rooms bi hyehyɛ soro ho VIP soro ho no. Wetin akogina ho ba bi no watwa. You will be protected, your gadget will be protected. But say Brekum no woni panu too much. And I won't send free wa. Be I send you be a free wa they are fine. But I won't send free wa they are. Yes, odi agora wa so betimi ayehye. Nti o china de ebe ye wo channel use ebe ye audio commentary. Audio commentary ni say ye obi a okọ Brekum. I will be run a live commentary e de aba. Hopefully, the machines ni bibia go here. Ono be live commentary. Na ya pick feed no ha na ye de amamo. That is arrangement here. If everything goes well now, or the chance to shoot, so obe shoot na ya pick feed near the amamo. Eddie free her. So midfielder Baba is set to make our match day 4 trip to Brekum due to a late injury. The skipper this morning reported to the club's medical team of an accident he sustained whilst taking a stroll at his residence ahead of our trip to Brekum. Baba reported that he accidentally stepped. Wow. This injury reminds me of Sergio Kun Aguero. Man City versus Stoke City game. Sergio Kun Aguero makes the game because not all chain about bicycle chi. And accidentally the 9 ko share bike na say. And then the 9 back home. Then on share boot. Or say I think he was walking barefoot. To the 9 kukrumut asieno. Ketua no baako twist and on the board here the 9 ewo to 9 ketua baako kwa twist a wontimi bo so he was ruled out of City versus Stoke City and you be na ebe ya ato baba ya ne ankle wenya an injury wenya an injury. So Asante Kotoko reported that there will be further a year medical examination to determine how long the player will be out or will be present in the team. But in the meantime, Jordan Emisa. Kotoko Rainmasters, Jordan Emisa scored. Okay, youth team players now. Wamo Eshe go ma Asante Kotoko, Jordan Emisa. So, obi o follow channel yi or a player maboni di. Emisa share jersey number 34. Jordan Emisa jersey number 34, 18-year-old. Jordan Emisa in jersey number 34. Nti ono coach na a chance to join the team. Or say I catch us Asante Kotoko team no, she is simple. Coach Okume decided say youth team players no obe more gradually into the senior Kotoko team. Under no circumstance, no babe push you more, more pressure for them to come and start for Asante Kotoko. Inti obe more kakra into the team, and that is what he's doing. They say Jordan and Mr. Solomon Sai. Solomon Sono Eka Kotoko team. Jesse number 29. Solomon Sai, 17-year-old. And also Eka Kotoko team. Wow. And then yeah, the too many warrior pa Asante Kotoko chita ni bi wa Asante mem akwa ka BRC mpanimfo no ochena anopa by 7 ebi medi kan ansa na later bus no so atu e de akobrekum bus no betu 10 yedi kan de atomanim say mpanimfo IMC members ni bi are subsidize it even the cost of transport in Swati, but that is for China. So quickly, now that Samuel Tinedu is injured, Michael Che Jamana and Andrew Sintimenu in himself one ever started. Go check it out, commit food option now, you endorse. So if Che any team fit, not Tinedu a pra, the central midfield of Kotoko. Omo enim so boy baba yaya before say Bernard Somwa Kotoko beton na yaya from the number 10 row and sana Somwa call ye no Saka injury into the baba call wings. They see an enim say Saka fit no probably baba call ba middle and an on so akopra. So baba yaya Emmanuel entry in team menu Michael Che Jamana and Samuel Tinedu. Na nka Samba Shalkan Mohammed bekan wana nka 6. They say F5 Tinedu pra, Baba pra, meaning aka 3. So you don't need to be a prophet to know, say, midfield 3 a boy against a young apostles and Karel and one the best. That's the intimate partnership. Good. Samba is out of the game, Smart is out of the game. So Mohamed Kamara, Freddy Kasare, Lord Amwa, Emmanuel Kote, Patrick Esiedu, Henry Ansu, Justice Blade, Joseph Ablo, Che Jamana in team menu, Emmanuel Entry, Dauda Saka, Jordan Emisa, Solomon Kwekusa, and Peter Aqua Albert Amoa, Wisdom Basi Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman. We more energy MMA picket. Yes, we more energy MMA picket. I will not be surprised to see Awuche say be Onusubenya a chance to be part of the team. I will not be surprised. Kautie coach Ogum Komoni Padia looks like a player that is ruled out. It is an enchantment or a brekum. I gusua yet mamunti. Hopefully, we are still hoping and wishing for the best for Asante Kotoko team. No sending the 2 many no. Yes, Lord Amwa Patrick Esiedu, Justice Blade, Joseph Ablo na wenya eye. Inti menu Michael Che Jamana Emmanuel Enchi Saka Dauda Albert Amoa and Abrante Fen Peter Alpa. I think injuries never ha Kotoko pay injuries never ha Kotoko. Yakano one say Makawa has said Adia Bakwa fi bit me ha Kotoko yipra. And say the positive side of having a small squad is Praba, Nyese Praba na choka no ndoso. The disadvantage is pra. What it means that this is Kotoko if injuries no nyame amfafie na ansesa means Kotoko would have to use most of their youth team players moving forward. Best Nkwalana na se Kotoko use omomo momoma Nkwalana chance. It's an issue. We lose Yaya, Samba, Smart, Tinedu, Harding. At least options from the bench, because imagine if you are even starting Billy. Oh, now starting. Let me say squad yeah, Kotoko starting. So we change nothing to do free bench, a Smart, Samba, Baba, that is solid. It gives you variations in your game, however. It is any last week. Away game, they normally lose. Teams want to go defensive. It's away no. They do the any out me count touch. Nanka what they the smart about Patrick Essien on what to be kum hono. Maybe I didn't do a bit in fin, West in fin. Maybe I want the samba about account, not go back. These are all things you can do. Imagine if you want to play a 5-4-1 system. Oh, wait a minute, do. Oh, now if you are there smart, now in team. Oh, maybe Emmanuel Entry, any Albertamu and the attack knows why he reached up and pay. But now, with such an injury, definitely it will affect the rhythm of the team and the options available for the coach. Season is in baby. I think match day 4 near Kobe. FA Cup Kotoko will play one game before the first round will end. After match day 4, we have 13 more matches plus the FA Cup game, making it 14 matches. Left back Kotoko aka 1 means that the same Kwalani be and I Kotoko push you no be left back. And now say a different player will go and play the left back position. Kotoko team no so benkum for them Dawson. And this is last season now at the point Kotoko Morrison obetimi akobo as a left back. Na Nicolas Osebo, Morrison, John Tedeku, na Penyini 4. No mean ball left back. This is a 2. They say now I was telling somebody me pa na me boy Lord am wa so no sun kopra. Ti ye hwese ne ebeko. Prince Anderson. Yes, Prince Anderson. So ewo ho. Asante Kotoko. But I think it's still not an excuse. At least Kotoko must try as much as possible to prevent a defeat. When the Okokra now could not draw. Now the bar 5 points out of 9. Say you come match the 4 back Kotoko abo 3 games. This will be the 3rd game of Asante Kotoko. It will have 5 points even out of 9. It's not a bad one, especially Wakwa away. So the focus should be avoiding a defeat in tomorrow's game. Kwambe na Kotoko be fine kugu enya Asante Kotoko dia and only ade ehun hia pa watch na game. But yes, pre-plan with team no. We dey squad nisa but it's quite unfortunate. Goalkeeping say there's no much of an issue. But I don't know. To some extent, you might be an injury away from issue because we were 3 goalkeepers. But I couldn't press the 2, right? Well, for now, let's just put those discussions aside. Squad need this. And I also players that are versatile, no. Maybe a coach who might know them, we might not know. Last season, you said a player like Morrison, a player like Sharif Mohammed. They were praying. Now Sherry beat me about 2, beat me about 5, beat me about 6, beat me about 8. See, when you have that team kakrana, he do the idea. Wait me shama that kind of thing. So Coach Okum need to be innovative in how you arrange the team. And Pioneer boy said Baba Ayadi any thing of a big injury. Because creative players in the Kotoko team, I was saying it this week, said players it may create chances for Kotoko team on Dawson. But yes, Weston Bassi is around. Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman, the other Sudanese attacker, is around. So let's see what these players remember. And here back question says here is an opportunity for everyone to also keep on fighting and do the right. Tia Hesen and Yamaba Kofa Asante Kotoko. Namenke, watching, they came in the better so